Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are not going to do like a recipe. This is more of an idea. The Super Bowl is coming up and I wanted to give you some ideas that you can make that are really easy and quick. A few days ago or maybe like a week ago, I shared with you how to make homemade nachos. Well, I had leftover meat from the nachos and I ended up making chili cheese dogs. So I wanted to share that process with you because it's easy, it's delicious, and what's more Super Bowl than chili cheese dogs? So I hope you guys enjoy. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye.